Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on rounding. Now the keywords of the question are you're told that you've got 24,372 schools. And you're asked to round this number to the nearest hundred. So these are the key parts of the question. Now this year here in 2012 is irrelevant within the question. So it's written there as a number, but it's not a number that you need to worry about in the question. You need to write your answer in the box provided, and this will be worth 1 mark in the exam. Now your key facts. If you have got the number 5 or above, you're going to round up. Now there is a little saying that 5 to 9 climb the vine. Or if you've got the number 4 or below, you keep the number the same. So the same for this one is 0 to 4 slide to the floor. Now there are lots of different sayings. The one my children prefer are these ones here. 5 to 9 climb the vine, 0 to 4 slide to the floor. That's what my children prefer, so that's the one I've used. But there are multiple different rules and sayings that can help you remember 5 or above you round up, or 4 below you keep the number the same. Now when you're rounded to the nearest hundred, the number that you're looking at is the number before the hundreds column. So you need to find your hundreds column. So you've got your ones, your tens, your hundreds, your thousands, your tens of thousands. So you find your hundreds column, and it's the number to the right of that which tells you which one is going to be going up or down. Pause, have a go at working out the answer, then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Great work. Hopefully you've managed to come up with an answer. So we're just going to think of a number line to start with, and we can see we've got 300, 700, 372. So if I write down the number 24,300 and the number 24,400, this number is between these two numbers. Now 24,372. Now in the middle you've got 24,350. So 24,372 is going to be above halfway. So it's going to be about here. So you can see that this number here, 24,372, is closer to 24,400 than it is to 24,300, which is why the answer is going to round up to this number here. If we do it by looking at the value after the hundreds column, so this is the hundreds column, we've got the number 7. So this is where the rhyme comes in. 5 to 9 climb the vine. So this is between 5 and 9. So we're going to climb the vine. What that means is this 3 becomes a 4. It goes up by 1, which is why it goes to 24,004. And then the last 2 digits become zeros because we've rounded, becomes 24,400. If this number here where the 7 is was lower than a 5, so 4 or below, or 0 to 4, it slides to the floor. That means that this number here, the 3, would have stayed the same, so it would have been 24,300. If this number here, where the 7 is lower than a 4, then it would go down to this number here. So your answer is 24,400. Give yourself a big tick if you got it correct. The mark scheme on this question shows the answer is 24,400 for 1M, which means 1 method mark. It says do not accept the number 400. So if you only wrote the 400, which is the bit after the 24,000, you would not get the answer correct. So make sure you write down the full answer. If you wrote a comma, fantastic. If you didn't write the comma, you'll still get the answer correct. But make sure your comma is nice and small and it doesn't look like the number 1. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.